In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the DocuSign error that says unable to create the envelope. This is a common issue that can stop you from sending important documents, but the good news is it's usually caused by a few simple things that are easy to fix. I'll walk you through the most common causes step by step so you can get your envelope sent without any errors. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first and most common fix is to check all required fields. In most cases, this error appears because something essential is missing from your envelope setup. Start by making sure you've added at least one signer. DocuSign will not allow you to create or send an envelope if no recipients are assigned. Next, double-check that the signer's email address is entered correctly. Even a small typo can prevent the envelope from being created properly. After that, confirm that your document is actually attached. Sometimes the upload may fail silently, or you might think a file is attached when it isn't. Finally, make sure all required tags are placed in the document. If you've marked certain fields as required, like signature or date fields, they must be properly assigned to a recipient. Once you've verified all of these, try creating the envelope again. If the issue continues, the second step is to verify the signer's email format. Make sure the email follows the correct format, including the @ symbol and a valid domain name. Avoid extra spaces before or after the email address. It's a small detail, but formatting issues are a very common reason for this error. Carefully retype the email instead of copying and pasting it, just to eliminate any hidden characters. The third thing to check is the file upload itself. DocuSign supports specific file types like PDF, Word, and a few others. Make sure your file isn't corrupted and that it falls within DocuSign size limits. If you suspect the file may be the problem, try re-uploading it. You can also test by uploading a different document to see if the envelope creates successfully. If the new file works, then the original document may be damaged or in an unsupported format. Next, try deleting old drafts. Sometimes saved drafts can glitch or conflict with new envelopes you're trying to create. Go to your DocuSign dashboard, navigate to your Drafts folder, and delete any old or unused draft envelopes. Once that's done, start fresh and create a brand new envelope from scratch. This often clears up unexplained creation errors. Finally, if none of those steps work, log out of your DocuSign account and then log back in. This may sound simple, but session issues or temporary glitches can cause envelope creation to fail. Logging out refreshes your session and can resolve minor account-side problems. You can also try clearing your browser cache or switching to a different browser if the problem persists. So to quickly recap, check all required fields, verify the signer's email format, confirm the file upload is valid, delete old drafts, and log out and back in. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the unable to create the envelope error in DocuSign. I hope this helped you get your document sent successfully. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.